Meet the Azaria La Petite Mère bag, perfect for the toddler mom or woman on the go. Made of soft, matte, textured, high-quality vegan leather, this bag is wipeable and stain-resistant, meant to endure life with kids while keeping you looking and feeling beautiful. The two-way zipper allows for easy access to the inside. Each bag is lined with a durable and wipeable vegan leather lining in our signature dusty rose color. There is a large tablet pocket with a magnet button closure. 3 inside mesh pockets are perfect for bottles, diapers, and snacks. They give great organization and visibility into what's hiding in those pockets. They also prevent trapped moisture. The center space is just big enough to store blankets, a spare outfit, toys, or books. Along the back, a deep zipper wall can fit small personal items like hand sanitizer and chapstick. Our sleek design provides just enough space for what you need on the go, without too much bulk. There is a long key leash so your keys never get lost. The backpack straps are made of a strong webbing with a partial vegan leather overlay for a classy, sophisticated aesthetic. This backpack converts into a messenger crossbody bag. The grab handle is convenient for easy carry. An adjustable messenger strap is included, so the bag can be worn over the shoulder or hung on a stroller. A secure zipper pocket on the front is a great spot for a wallet or phone. The specially designed side pockets have hidden depth that can fit up to a 40-ounce water bottle. The D-rings on the side can also be attached to a set of Azaria stroller hooks. They are also a great spot for accessories. This bag will help you feel stylish, lovely, and put together. It will make every day rosy.